Hey guys, tonight we're doing the valve cover gaskets on my 2003 BMW 540 M Sport package. Now, before we get into that, it's only going to be a couple minutes long. So before we get into that, two things. I do videos about New England. I travel doing walking trails, mountains, our local tourist attractions. I haven't been able to do that for the past 4 or 5 weeks because it's been raining. So for those that watch me for those videos, they are coming up soon, I promise. Also, I got scammed big time by an elaborate piece of shit liar. We're gonna get into that in the video coming up soon. I bought a 2006 BMW 530xi sport package with a 6-speed, and the guy just lied and lied about the car, and it's gonna be a very interesting video. So stay tuned for that one. Scammer. All right guys, so finally, I was able to get the car down to European Auto Solutions, Hudson, New Hampshire, and they were able to take care of my car. So let's talk to Dave and see what he's gonna do to the car.
What's up guys, Dave here from European Auto Solutions in Hudson. We got Mike back with his BMW 540. Came in last night and we started taking the valve covers off. We're gonna be replacing the gaskets and cleaning the motor from some oil leaks from the valve covers. We're also gonna be replacing the tank vent solenoid in the front here that's causing his engine light. And stay tuned. So we just finished up with Mike's valve covers here. Did a oil change as well while we were there, and we replaced the fuel tank vent valve. And I'm just going to clear the engine light before we take it for a test drive, and he should be all set.
They also work on anything really, but they do the German cars mostly. As you can see, they're replacing a turbo in this Audi. So if you are in the neighborhood of the Boston, New Hampshire area, somewhere along there where it's driving distance, give them a chance. They'll take care of you. Tell them I said, what's up, and you'll get a huge discount. Maybe some free air in your tires. I don't know, but I'm sure they'll take care of you. All right, so until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.